Hey guys, thought I'd just show you this beautiful Ducati Panigale v4s track bike that has come from Ducati Coventry, and we've been fitting a gorgeous livery to it. So I thought I'd just walk you around what we've done. So obviously we're starting at the tailpiece, ASD Racing, under tailpiece under here, lower tank sections, front fairings, neatly trimmed into the gaps. This was pretty difficult to fit. In fact, it was very difficult. Not something that I'd recommend for the DIYer. Piece down here. I'll talk more about that shortly. Piece down here. What I did here at the front, the kit doesn't have these cut out, so I carefully notched this. And I think that's really come out really well, really neat. Really pleased with that. Got the Ducati Corsa sticker at the front hugger sections, front mudguard. Carefully cut round the holes for the fairing, and I'm really pleased with how that's come out. So this is going back to Ducati Coventry tomorrow morning. And wow, really impressed with this. Giving it a little bit of wax, so it's just ready for their client, so he can pick it straight up. And off she goes. But yeah, there it is. Thoughts on the kits? Definitely not a home install. I'm an experienced, very experienced with film application and PPF. We are the official Suntech Centre for Birmingham, so I'm PPFing cars every week of the month, usually very high-end vehicles. PPFing bikes all the time for Ducati, for ourselves. That's Neil's, that's mine. This is another client bike that's been fully PPF'd. We're just about to start that. Beautiful SP. And this kit was extremely difficult to install. And I would say even a fairly experienced vinyl wrapper would struggle to get that down. It's signed vinyl and it's calendared. Very difficult to work with. You've got a fair bit of trimming to do, so you really need to know what you're doing and have really good knife skills. But there is the Panigale v4s track bike that's going back to Ducati Coventry. Do an amazing job, really good people. If you're going to Ducati, go to those guys. Give Craig or Rick a call, tell them that Byron from Top Wrap sent you. And these are our views and our new lights too.